The Samsung Galaxy A32 has to be the best designed budget phone in 2021 so far, at least for me. The Samsung A32 is the successor to the Samsung A31, and in this video I'm going to be talking about everything you should know about the Samsung A32, including how much of an upgrade it is. My name is Didi, I talk about tech, let's shoot. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I make videos like this one to help you guys make a good purchase decision. So subscribe to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. As always, let's start with the first thing you see in any phone, the display. It's a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED 90Hz 1080p display. Nice. It's completely made out of plastic, so a plastic back and a plastic frame. There are a lot of color options. Okay, probably not. It's available in 4 colors: black, white, blue, and violet. Make your pick. The Samsung Galaxy A32 is running Android 11 on One UI 3.1, and it's powered by a gaming chipset, the MediaTek Helio G80. It starts at 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage and goes up to 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The base variant, that's the 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, costs $239 or 98,000 naira. And the 6 gig RAM 128 gig ROM variant costs $296 or 113,000 naira. It has an under the display fingerprint scanner. The headphone jack, the USB Type-C port, and the speaker grill can be found at the bottom of the phone. Now, cameras. The Samsung A32 has a quad camera setup, a 48 megapixel main sensor capable of 1080p video recording, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth and macro cameras, and at the front a 20 megapixel selfie camera, also capable of 1080p video recording. It has a 5000 mAh battery capable of 15 watts of fast charging. The Samsung Galaxy A32 has a lot to offer. That gorgeous design, the amazing 90Hz Super AMOLED display, and of course the cameras. The A32 is better than its predecessor in all those ways, and I really think it's an awesome device. However, let me know what you think of the Samsung Galaxy A32 in the comments. Just head down there and let's chat. Give this video a like right there. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this over there. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoe. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me in my next video.